Today we are honored to invite the world's youngest CA, Mr. Dishan. How much time and effort did you required?
It was every day for the 3 years.
Most of the people think that ACCA is not that equivalent to CA. What is the main difference?
The main difference, first of all, is CA is
वैसा कोई टाइम था जहाँ पे you had a failure and how did you overcome it?
I'll mention two here, the two biggest ones. And just by changing these two things and a few others, in that paper I received All India Rank 2.
AIR 2.
Yeah,
What is your most lovable firm कि मेरे को इसमें तो जाना ही.
that would be the best firms.
Where do you see yourself after next 10 years?
I'm just 18 right now, so I really...
So ગુજરાતી હોય એટલે ધંધો તો છેલ્લે કરવો જ પડે. If you go with CA, what's the expected salary?
Starting salary that I've generally observed is 8.
You got this certificate at the age of 17. So अगर कोई बंदा या और कोई girl होगी wants to achieve the Guinness Book of World Record in that. So how do you see them?
I mean, honestly,
Hello and welcome to Beyond the Noise. I'm your host Dhruvesh Shah and today we are honored to have the world's youngest male CA, Mr. Dishan. So he is the first guest on our show who is having the Guinness World Record and it's an honor to showcase that record on our show. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started and let's listen the insights from Dishan. Let's go. Hello Dishan, welcome to Beyond the Noise. How have you been?
I've been very good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine and it's an honor inviting you on our show.
Thank you so much.
Because you are the first guest on our show who's having Guinness Book of World Records, so it's an honor for us. So what inspired you to embark the journey of ACCA, and I mean what is ACCA basically?
I'll tell you how it all started first
right.
of all. So I was in 8th standard, and when we are studying in 8th standard, you don't really study the subjects of commerce.
Okay.
Accounts, economics, those subjects don't come. And in 10th, you have to decide what do you want to pick without knowing what's in commerce. So because my father is in the academics industry,
Okay.
that used to bother him.
Okay.
And so he wanted that in my case, I am at least certain upon both the subjects that are in commerce and science. So science and in the natural course of action, I was going to pick science because I kind of liked it.
Okay.
And I was not certain about what's in commerce. So I decided to started studying accounting as a I would say language,
Okay.
just for fun to see what's in it. And I started kind of liking it more than science. And that's kind of when I decided I'll go with commerce rather than science. So that's how it initially started. After that, in 9th standard, my father told me that there is a course called ACCA which you can pursue at a younger age before 12th. And not everybody knows about it, but because he's in
I
the
mean, people are more often that CA ज़्यादा है इंडिया में.
Yeah,
But
right.
They don't know कि ACCA भी एक term है which refers to the CA all around the world.
yeah.
So I mean, what's the full form of ACCA?
The full form of ACCA is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants.
Okay.
So it is equivalent to CA only. The only thing is CA is based in India, ACCA is at a global level.
Okay.
And so that's kind of how it started. In 9th, I started giving the papers and the journey went on.
Okay. So I mean, how many papers do you have to give?
So there are a total of 13 papers.
Okay.
If you decide to start early through the FIA route, that's the route you need to take if you start early. You have to give 3 more papers, but the 3 papers are the first 3 papers.
Okay.
So ultimately, you're only giving 13 because it's a different route. They've named it differently.
Okay.
Ultimately, you're giving 13 papers.
So I mean, उसमें you're not having that specific thing that अगर आप 8th में or 9th में does not depend. You can give it
Yeah.
anytime.
You give the first 3 papers through the FIA route, you are eligible for the degree.
So
now.
it doesn't matter if you're in 12th or 11th. But
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
okay, so that's great. I mean, and for you also that at that young age you started preparing for ACCA and now you are CA officially. So I mean, what is the eligibility criteria in that? कि इतने percentage चाहिए या it's not?
Yeah, so all 13 papers, 50% is the passing mark.
Okay.
And every exam is of 100 marks, so 50 marks is the passing criteria.
Okay. And I mean, how much time and effort did you required?
Yeah.
I mean, before starting into this, क्योंकि when you dive into this journey, so एक mindset होता है for you
Right.
कि complete करे बिना I'll not come out. So what was that? Can you just explain in a more elaborate way that the guys who are watching us and who wants to pursue chartered accountant or ACCA in the future can get more insights into that?
I mean, regarding time and effort, it was every day for the 3 years. and you have to have the commitment and the will that I want to do this, or else तो शुरू भी नहीं करना चाहिए, because you won't make it. And of course every day पढ़ाई करनी होती है, and every day you are preparing for it, and the normal traits, that discipline, consistency, hard work, everything is required to be able to pull it off. I would say it was a bit more difficult because I was younger, so I was studying everything from base, because generally जो कर रहा होता है वो 11th और 12th में अकाउंट, स्टैटिस्टिक्स सब पढ़ के आया होता है. So I had to learn those things first. 11th की बुक में से मैंने अकाउंट्स पढ़ा था, फिर I started. So
Okay.
in that way it was a bit more difficult, लेकिन if you want to do it, you can pull it off.
So I mean, who paved your way? I mean, I've seen that your father is having a institute in Ahmedabad. It's Naukar, right? So I mean, how did your father paved the way that, you know, तू कुछ, I mean, pursue कर इसमें, then you know you'll do it, or any of your, I mean, तेरे को support कुछ भी चाहिए, then I'm your backbone. So what was the story behind that?
Yeah, so I think in that case I'm privileged because he was aware of everything. So when, as I just mentioned, I decided I'm going to go with commerce rather than science. So he said, ये course है, if you want to try, we can try. We can just enroll for one exam. 13 का goal मत रखते अभी. And we enrolled for the first exam, and it was Foundations in Accountancy, that was the name. And I got 89% in that. So from that point, he was sure if I continue, I'm going to crack it. And मेरे लिए भी, to be honest, school studies are not that difficult. At 8th and 9th grade, you have a lot of free time. And this was something I could pursue, and I had an interest in it. So I decided, let's move on. And after a few papers, so it became, I would say, more personal कि अब तो खत्म ही करना है.
So I mean, when you were in your 8th grade, I mean, you go in the school, बच्चे फुटबॉल, सॉकर क्लासेस के लिए जाते हैं, क्रिकेट के लिए जाते हैं, स्विमिंग के लिए जाते हैं. सो एट दैट मोमेंट हाउ डिड यू मैनेज? सी एट दैट यंगर एज आई डोंट थिंक यू आर इनफ मैच्योर टू टेक दैट डिसीजंस. तो उसमें हाउ डिड यू कंट्रोल योर सेल्फ एंड यू वर दैट डैम डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स योर गोल कि none of that things came in between you?
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to mention मैं भी फुटबॉल कोचिंग, क्रिकेट कोचिंग सब में जाता ही था. So I was pretty much busy the whole day. लेकिन this was something जो कोई कर नहीं रहा था, and पापा खुद सीए है, so I knew what value it holds, because घर में सब बात होती है, सुनते हैं. तो so and when I started, I was not committed कि मैं ख़त्म करूँगा. तब तो as a साइड में कुछ कर रहे ऐसे शुरू किया था. लेकिन आफ्टर 3, 4, 5 पेपर्स इट वाज लाइक अब सीरियस होना है, अब करना है. एंड a lot of my friends when I started they were like, अब ये क्या कर रहा है तू, हमारे साथ खेल ये सब. लेकिन after I completed, all of them were like, तूने हमें भी बोला होता तो हम भी कर लेते.
So that's a Uno reverse हो जाता है ना, कि पहले they were like कि यार क्या है, and then oh my god. So I mean, you know, you also told that there are 13 different papers in that. So can you please describe what are those 13 different papers? Because honestly, I'm a science student, right? मेरे को तो CA का चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और ACCA का अभी फुल फॉर्म पता चला. So it's a very niche thing for me. So can you please elaborate every 13 paper?
Yeah, so in the 13 papers, there are basically 3 levels. First is knowledge, then skill, and then professional level. Knowledge level में 3 पेपर है. In skill there are 6 papers and 4 in the professional level. वैसे 13 papers है. And a lot of different topics are getting covered. Accounting cover होता है, cost accounting, auditing, taxation, finance, almost all of the corporate subjects are getting covered in the papers. And I would say the first 4 papers है वो on demand वाले होते हैं. So if you want to give the exam tomorrow, you can just book it right now and it's done.
I mean, who takes the exam for ACCA?
So there are learning partners जो लेते हैं. वैसे नौकार takes the first 4 papers उनके वहीं, and you can also give it from home as well. So both the options are available for the first 4 papers. फिर बाकी के जो papers है उसके लिए every 3 months attempt आता है, and you have to give the attempt that way.
Okay, so I mean, what are those 3 papers then?
The first 4 papers I just mentioned, Foundations in Accountancy, Business and Technology, Law, and the last paper is Cost Accounting.
Okay, so I mean, when you decided कि अब तो मैं ACCA हो गया हूँ, so does it require कि अभी मेरे को CA भी करना पड़ेगा? और
so technically if I want to work as an accountant here in India, I don't need the degree of CA. And so मुझे करना नहीं पड़ेगा. In fact मुझे फॉरेन जाना है तो my degree will work, and किसी ने CA किया है तो वो उसका बाहर चलेगा नहीं, because CA is just national.
Okay, your future goal is to practice it overseas, I mean in the different country or what?
Currently the future goal is to pursue higher education in the USA, and then pretty much figure out after that.
So I mean, when you were 18, right, and you completed your ACCA and you got the degree?
I was 17 when I
got you were 17. Okay, you were 17. So after that you would be in up 12th में होंगे ना at that moment?
Yeah, at that time I was in mid 12th. Yeah.
So after that, in which way did you pursue your career? I mean, उसमें फिर आगे did you go for any sort of degrees or for masters, and what was the story behind that?
Yeah, so regarding that, ACCA की जो body है, that is affiliated with 2 universities.
Okay.
The first is Oxford Brookes University, wherein after you completed 9 papers out of 13 in ACCA, you can go for a bachelor's in applied accounting by submitting a research project. Out of 15 topics that they give, you can choose one and you have to submit it with the help of a mentor.
Okay.
And if they approve
Okay.
the project, you get the bachelor's degree. It takes roughly 6 months. So मेरा 12th खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद I enrolled for that, and this September itself I received the bachelor's degree with first class honors.
Wow, that's great. I mean, see, strategically पूरा graph linear जा रहा है मेरे
Yeah.
हिसाब से, and everything is going in your way only.
Yeah.
So was that any sort of time, वैसा कोई time था जहाँ पे you had a failure, and how did you overcome it? See, success तो सबको मिल जाती है, but there is a time when you have to step up
Yeah.
and come outside that bound of failure. So can you share a small experience of that?
Yeah, so there was, out of 13 papers, I just failed one paper. That was just one time. It was the paper of strategic business leader
Okay.
in the professional level. And that was because I was many reasons, but I was giving 2 papers all at the same attempt. Generally, if you ask anybody at the professional level, that is a bit daring.
Okay.
And I was even younger than most people. So even though still I wanted to try 2 papers together. One of them I passed. The second one I failed by 2 marks. I was at 48 out of 50.
Oh my God.
So that was like the first time I was facing failure academically. And after I faced it, the result comes at 5 in the morning UK time पे चलता है इसीलिए.
Okay.
So after that, me and Papa in the morning breakfast time we sat together and we started evaluating the result, the reasons for the failure.
Okay.
And we came up with many reasons, but I would say I'll mention 2 here, the 2 biggest ones.
Okay.
The first was कि preparation के time I used to cut out nooks and corners जो थोड़े I would say minor chapters है जो बहुत सालों से पूछा नहीं गया, वो सब I would used to avoid कि इसके बिना तो पास हो ही जाएंगे ना. But that became one of the reasons for the failure. And the second was excessive use of social media.
Okay.
So and he pointed that reason out, and I did not want to accept it initially, but he was kind of correct.
Okay.
So I decided कि अब till I complete all 13 papers, I would like to delete all social media apps. और जब खत्म होता है I'll download them again.
Okay.
6 months बाकी थे, so I deleted them for 6 months. सब friends को सबको message कर दिया, अब I will talk after 6 months.
Okay, we'll share memes after 6 months. Okay, हाँ.
And after that I passed all papers and I completed all 13. And in that I would like to mention, इसके बाद the next attempt I gave was the paper of advanced taxation, and just by changing these 2 things and a few others, in that paper I received all India rank 2 and all world rank 9.
AIR 2.
Yeah,
So
and EWR 9.
That's astonishing. I
Yeah.
mean, you told me that, I faced social media, so that distracted you. I mean, at that moment, कभी लगता है कि नहीं, मैं social media उतना use तो नहीं करता, but you know that, you are procrastinating at that moment.
Yeah.
You think that you are not using it, but you are using
Yeah.
it. So how did you felt at that moment when you shut it everything at a single glance? कि मतलब एक ही रात में सब कुछ बंद कर देना है, कट कर देना है. So at that moment, was your father pretty strict कि बंद? Or it was
नहीं,
not
he
that?
in fact told me in the morning that this is a reason I think exists.
Okay.
तुम्हें जो decision लेना हो मैं शाम तक आओ तब तक ले लेना. I'll be okay with whichever decision you take.
Okay.
लेकिन जब failure first time आया मुझे, तो I was also like नहीं, अब
हाँ.
this does not feel very good. I would like to receive success rather than failure.
Okay.
So it wasn't, मतलब अगर पास हो गया होता फिर भी ऐसा होता तो it would feel a bit bad. लेकिन इधर it was a genuine reason, so it did not feel really bad. And 6 months का ही time था, so I was okay with it.
Okay. And onto that, we can go that, what is the main difference between CA and ACCA? That's the main, cherry on the cake question of our podcast. Because most of the people think that, ACCA is not that equivalent to CA in Indian, mindset. So can you please give me a detailed overview on that?
Yes, so I would say the main difference first of all is CA is in India, ACCA is from UK.
Done.
CA का जो accounting standard है, that is Ind AS. ACCA का is IFRS, which is International Financial Reporting Standards.
Okay.
Those standards have been adopted and have been made compulsory in 140 countries. So the listed companies have to compulsorily follow those.
Okay.
And in the rest of the countries, they have been adopted voluntarily by the जैसे इंडिया के अंदर it has been voluntarily adopted. A lot of the standards have been voluntarily adopted. So in total, roughly 180 countries now follow IFRS standards.
Okay.
So basically, if you have ACCA, you're following IFRS standards, you can work in 180 countries in the world.
Okay, so you're getting a better advantage if you're having.
Yeah, so if you want to go and live somewhere in the foreign country, ACCA would be the better choice.
There are many persons who are having multiple degrees, right?
Yeah.
So they also work I mean, see, if you're living in India, but you outsource. So is it okay, or you compulsory have to give your physical presence?
I think it is okay. Yeah.
It is okay.
I'm not 100% sure, but as long as I know, it is okay.
And after that, you started your master's in finance.
Masters in professional accountancy.
Okay.
Yeah, that was again from University of London, which is affiliated with ACCA. It was a 60 credit course. There are 2 elective courses I need to take. I've taken both of them and they are completed.
Okay.
अब एक capstone project है, which I have to submit again a research report like the bachelor's.
Okay.
I'm currently doing it, and by May 25 I should be done with the masters.
Okay, so I mean, you going to London or you working?
No, so there are 3 options. You can either go to London,
Okay.
you can go to Singapore, or you can do it from here. I'm
Okay,
doing it
so
from
that's great. I mean, see, they are having flexibility
Yeah.
in that also. We can discuss कि ये सब तो कर लिया. So what is your goal after that? कि I've gotten my master's degree also. So what after that?
So after that, I'm also going to pursue a second master's
Okay.
in the US. I want that to be in finance because I'm ACCA में दो पेपर है जो finance के ऊपर है, financial management and advanced financial management. When I was studying this, तब forex, derivatives, option pricing वो सब पढ़ा, and I really like those subjects, and मुझे accounting से better लगा personally. So I want to go down the path of finance, which is why I want to pursue a master's in finance in the US.
Okay.
And I'm currently planning for the same. Next year या तो maybe the year after that I want to go and do a master's. और उसके बाद अभी कुछ श्योर फिट नहीं कि यही करना है, लेकिन आइडियली पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट या इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में जाना है.
इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में जाना है. व्हाट इज योर मोस्ट लवेबल फर्म कि मेरे को इसमें तो जाना ही है, मेरे को क्रैक तो करनी है?
दैट वुड बी द बेस्ट फर्म्स. ब्लैक रॉक है, जेपी मॉर्गन है.
हाँ, जेपी मॉर्गन. उसके लिए इज दैट देयर अ स्पेसिफिक थिंग कि यू मस्ट पास आउट फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज ओनली, या इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर नॉलेज क्राइटेरिया?
नॉट रियली. देयर इज नो सच थिंग कि यू नीड टू हैव अ मास्टर्स इन फाइनेंस फॉर द जॉब, बट it helps if you have the qualification. And regarding the same, finance में जब मेरा ACCA में interest हुआ, I even decided to pursue CFA, which is Chartered Financial Analyst, which is completely based on finance. It is in depth in finance. It is one of the most recognized qualifications in the field of finance. So I've already cracked the level 1 out of all 3. I'm giving the second attempt next year.
Okay, so I mean, if you want to go to US, right? So apart from CA, आपको IELTS या GRE भी देनी पड़ती है.
Right.
So in this field, so were you preparing for IELTS or GRE, और अभी prepare कर रहे हो?
I've given both the exams.
Okay.
अभी recently the IELTS I got 8.5 out of 9.
8.5,
Yeah,
okay.
and GRE I got 320 out of 340.
तो सब में ऐसे टॉप करते करते घंटा नहीं आता कि कभी एक बार किसी में तो थोड़े कम लाना है, क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो वैसा ही था. आई वाज जस्ट उनो रिवर्स व्हेन आई वाज इन माय 10th, राइट? आफ्टर 11th आई गॉट मैच्योरिटी कि अभी थोड़ा पढ़ लेना है. एंड एट दैट मोमेंट व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीइंग, तब कोविड आ गया और हम सबको पास कर दिया. सो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू शोकेस माई सेल्फ एट दैट सिनेरियो, बट स्टिल currently I believe that no, I'm going on a very good path.
Yeah.
So, I am also planning कि मेरे को भी कुछ ऐसा करना है, not in that way, in overseas country कि I want to pursue something. Where do you see yourself after next 10 years? What is Dishan thinking that, where do you want? I mean, see, जैसे Mike Ross thinks that he wants to be Harvey Specter. Where do you see yourself?
Yeah, so I mean, I'm just 18 right now, so
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure 28 पे कहाँ पे होऊंगा. लेकिन if I'm to give you I would say a rough path.
All right.
So after the masters in finance, as I said, I would like to work in the finance industry somewhere, gain substantial experience for 5 to 7 years, learn the ins and the outs of the industry, learn how it works, make some connections, and after that I would like to start my own financial services firm. लेकिन कैसे करूँगा and everything, I really don't know right now.
So गुजराती होई એટલે ધંધો તો છેલ્લે કરવો જ પડે. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, because at the end what it matters is that I want to run my
Right.
firm, and that what matters is. So, after that, my eyes are being catchy on this certificate because, I was seeing on YouTube and social media every time, but it was my first time seeing this in a physical format. So, I mean, how did this certificate came into your life? I mean, who was the person behind that and what was the reason behind it?
Right. So last year in June 23, I cracked the last paper and I was 17 and a half years at that time. So we checked the record for the male chartered accountant. It was 19 years. So तब unofficially तो पता चल गया that I am
कुछ अभी, हाँ.
हाँ, अब कुछ हो सकता है. And it was my father's idea कि apply तो करते हैं, let's see what happens. So I would honestly, most of the work was done by him regarding the कैसे apply करते हैं and what documents you need. मुझे जो support देना था वही मैंने दिया है. And we applied for it and we provided all the proofs and everything, certificates, and we were fortunate enough to get it.
So, I mean, do they guys, I mean, वो लोग घर पे आते हैं चेक करने के लिए?
So that is
What's
for
the process? Can you please explain?
So that is for the अगर तुम्हारा let's say push-up record है,
Alright, okay, yeah,
most
yeah.
push-ups in the world वाला, तो they'll come and they'll physically see तुम कर रहे हो कि नहीं. लेकिन इसके अंदर तो there's nothing to see when you come physically. At the end, if you're getting the certificate from ACCA body and it is the official certificate, they'll approve it. So घर पे कुछ नहीं आता, you just have to upload a lot of documents. They need a lot of proof कि हाँ तुमने किया है from the official body as well. And if you're submitting that, they'll give you the record.
I mean, see, there are various weird records like smashing coconut with your head and that all things. But for me, एक ये specific record है that you are achieving something. वो लोग endurance पे खेलते हैं, but you played on your academic and your qualification. So that is what matters for me. I mean, I have a good amount of respect in this field that,
Thank you so
if you
much.
achieved something, that's their strength. So after that, how did people recognize you? See, when you get Guinness Book of World Record, people see yourself that, एक आप position पे आ जाते हो. So at that moment, how people change? जैसे आपने बोला that, at 8th standard, students, मेरे friends बोल रहे हैं कि यार क्या कर रहा है? And after that, वो बोल रहे हैं कि हमको क्यों नहीं बोला? So did that same thing happen to you after getting this record?
So after getting this record, I did start getting recognized in many places.
Yeah.
LinkedIn पे थोड़ा blow up हुआ.
Wow,
And social media में I was even in the newspapers, Ahmedabad Mirror, Times of India. And एक बार TV पे भी आया था. And I even got recognized by the Chief Minister of the state. I went to his office for a photo.
At that moment, I guess Bhupendra Patel
Yes,
was,
yeah. I was getting a lot of attention and it did feel good. So, like people started realizing कि हाँ ये जो कर रहा था इतने सालों से, he has finally cracked it. है कुछ इसमें, कर सकता है.
So, in last podcast which I had, उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छा मेरे को एक example दिया था. एक Chinese bamboo सी या bamboo करके है, उसमें क्या होता है that for 5 years it grows upside down in the root.
Yeah.
It tries to build up his strength underground. And after 5 years, 2 या 3 week में वो 15 फुट ऊपर चला जाता है. So what people see is that, you are going up 15 foot high, but they don't see that for 5 damn years, you are building up your everything. You are, giving your consistency, dedication and, focus in this all things. So, that's the main thing. And, I just like to appreciate your efforts
Thank you
and
so
creating
much.
this all things. You told कि you have to give research paper. आपको research paper देना पड़ता है for the bachelor's. So, उसमें क्या हुआ? On what topic did you give your research paper?
Yes, so they provide you with 15 topics as a list and you have to choose one of them. I chose the topic that talk about a firm that performed exceptionally well over the past 3 years, while other firms were not preparing so much in the industry due to the COVID reason, because मैंने जब दिया तब COVID was in the past 3 years. So I took that as my topic, and मेरी जो firm थी that was Future Retail Limited, which popularly you know as DMart.
Okay.
Right, and I prepared on that कि it is performing very well, and I used many other competitors to compare it कि इसका performance better है compared to other firms in the industry.
During COVID?
No, so this was last year.
Okay.
लेकिन we have to evaluate past 3 years. So 2020 से 2023. So COVID period is covered in that.
Okay.
So that was basically the topic. The research paper was 7,500 words.
Okay.
In total, roughly वो limit था. And you had to have a compulsory mentor जिसके साथ आपको compulsory work करना होता है. My mentor was from Singapore.
Okay.
And they help you throughout the whole journey. They basically make your work easier, review everything.
Okay.
And I would say I learned a lot about जो मुझे पहले पता नहीं था. रिसर्च इंडिया में जैसे होता है एंड फॉरेन में जैसे होता है, इट इज़ वाइडली डिफरेंट. यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड अ लॉट ऑफ रेफरेंसेज इन योर पेपर.
Okay.
It is structured in a different manner. So it was a wonderful experience, and I learned a lot during that research paper. And one thing I would specifically like to mention is कि ये जो opportunity है to pursue bachelor's after 9 papers, that is only valid till May 26. उसके
Okay.
बाद they are closing that option.
I mean, why? I mean, क्यों ऐसा?
I don't know what the reasons are, but they are closing it after 26. So anybody who's planning to pursue right now, so अगर आपके 9 पेपर by May 26 नहीं होने वाले, then you won't get the option. So it's just a heads up to the people.
They would be having knowledge. मेरे को तो लगता ही है कि because ये लोग
Yeah.
अपलोड तो करते ही होंगे उनके
Yeah,
वेबसाइट या
Definitely.
ऑन दी पोर्टल. क्यों ऐसा ये लोग सडनली दे आर शटिंग दिस थिंग्स ऑफ?
They have not really provided the reason. Maybe their term ends or whatever their affiliation was is coming to an end. I really don't know because they don't provide reasons.
So I guess you are also lucky कि ये टाइम
Yeah,
में
मेरा हो गया.
you got an opportunity to clear this all. I am also having one more question. See, for example, I am in CA, right? And I want to pursue ACCA. So do I have to give the 13 papers individually after that, or I'm having some difference or some
Yeah,
differentiation
so,
between that?
if you have already completed CA, you just need to give the last 4 papers of professional level. All the other papers are exempt for you. And even in the professional level, there are 6 papers you need to choose 4 out of the 6. And so that's up to you, whichever one you want to choose. And there are exemptions for everybody. अगर तुम bachelor's pursue कर रहे हो, then the first 5 papers are exempt for you. If you're pursuing some other degree, तो based on that उनका equivalency होता है कि इतने exempt हो जाएगा. लेकिन one thing I would like to say is अगर let's say bachelor's कर रहे हो, 5 पेपर exempt हो गए, then make sure कि वो 5 पेपर का जो base है, everything knowledge you have it, because जब professional level में आओगे तब it will अगर base clear नहीं होगा तो आगे का सब proper होगा नहीं. And the professional level is very, I would say, a replication for the real life scenarios. Professional level में जो papers आते हैं, you have to answer everything in Word and Excel as if you're reporting to your supervisor, you're preparing a report. जो real life में तुम जो काम करने वाला, you have to do the same in the exam.
Okay.
So they are basically testing if you can work, if you can perform well in the work scenario.
Okay.
So if I tell you SBL करके पेपर था which I failed once.
Okay.
उसके
For 2 marks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
उसके अंदर it's just one question, 100 marks. It's a 20-page question. पूरा बहुत सारे डिटेल एंड यू हैव टू इवैल्यूएट एवरीथिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस बनाओ, यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट समथिंग टू द सीईओ, कैसे ड्राफ्ट करके लिखोगे इन द वर्ड, डू दैट. सो they just want कि प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे you actually become a professional and you can act like one once you have completed the degree.
Okay, so I mean, you told me for the research paper. So I am a guy who watches Think School. If you know, he's a famous YouTuber. He does the same thing. वो research पे ही analysis करता है.
हाँ.
So recently I watched this video about, he differentiated 3 different brands of candy.
Yeah.
Specifically chocolate. Alpenliebe, Eclairs and Pulse. उसमें उसने क्या बोला कि Pulse has generated वो दोनों का रेवेन्यू है ना, उसको आप टोटल करोगे ना, उससे भी ज़्यादा दे हैव जनरेटेड. एंड दो इट्स एन नॉट एन इंडियन बट सेमी इंडियन ब्रांड. सो दैट ऑल रिसर्च इज वो भी आपको बहुत अच्छा कल्टिवेट करती है. दैट you know that how business works.
Right.
So on to that we can say that what were the traits which you improvised while having this journey?
Yeah, so I would say कोई भी फील्ड में एग्जाम प्रिपेयर कर रहा हो तो द ट्रेड्स आर द सेम. अब यूपीएससी दे रहे हो, जेडब्ल्यू की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, यू हैव टू हैव डिसिप्लिन, कमिटमेंट, कंसिस्टेंसी, हार्ड वर्क. द ट्रेड्स आर सेम फॉर नो मैटर द फील्ड यू आर चूजिंग. आई वुड से कि मेरे ट्रेड्स तो थे ही, आई वाज कमिटेड इनफ एंड आई वाज डूइंग एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ, लेकिन इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ कलेक्टिव एफर्ट इन माई केस. घर से भी वो आपको सपोर्ट मिलता है, पुश मिलता है. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन आई एम गेटिंग बिट लेट बैक या मुझे थोड़ा वो हो रहा है तो फैमिली से पुश मिलता है कि आगे कर. इवन व्हेन आई एम अ बिट बोर्ड या स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ तो फ्रेंड्स का जो सपोर्ट होता है कि बाहर घूमने थोड़ी देर जाओ तो फ्रेश हो जाओ. सो एंड आफ्टर दैट गॉड एंड लक एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, एवरीथिंग, इट वाज अ कलेक्टिव एफर्ट दैट लेड टू दिस आउटकम.
ओके, सो दैट्स वेरी नाइस सेड. तो ये बहुत मेन चीज़ें जो मैटर करती है, दैट with which guys do you roam, or with
Right.
आप किसके साथ घूम रहे हो. So how did your friends paved the way? What was the reason behind that?
I mean, honestly, I did not have as many friends because I was mostly studying all the time. But I did have a few friends, and mostly I would say they helped me when I was being a bit nervous, yeah, stressed, yeah, exam ka pressure hai, yeah, whatever the reason is, they would really help me there, and you know, it just helped me feel better. जो I would say फैमिली से बहुत नहीं हो सकता, दे
हाँ
कैन गिव
हाँ
यू अदरवाइज
अ
सपोर्ट।
पर्सनल
हाँ, जो फ्रेंड से
हाँ
जैसे बात होती है वैसे वहाँ
हाँ
नहीं
हाँ
होती।
हाँ हाँ
सो आज से देयर दे हेल्प मी लॉट, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ देम बिलीव्ड इन मी फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट कि तूने किया है तो तू कर ही लेगा, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पेपर ऑनवर्ड्स। आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल
तो
फॉर दैट।
दैट पुश इज मच नेसेसरी फॉर एवरी
यस,
इंडिविजुअल इन द
वेरी
लाइफ,
मच।
क्योंकि 2 या 3 फ्रेंड्स तो ऐसे होने ही चाहिए एट कि कोई भी टाइम कोई भी दिन और कभी भी आप उनको कांटेक्ट करो, सो दे रिप्लाई यू बैक। सो जब आप ये एज में होते हो, देन देयर इज एन सिनेरियो दैट यू शुड हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड, you should have this, you should have that. So was there any girl which approached you, or तेरा कोई ऐसा क्रश था स्पेसिफिकली, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम यू थॉट कि नहीं, इस पे फोकस करूंगा तो ये चला जाएगा?
आई मीन यू आर ए टीनेजर, सो वो चीज़
एग्जैक्टली।
तो होती रहती है, लेकिन आई वाज कमिटेड कि यही करना है, बाकी सब चीज़ पे अभी ध्यान देना नहीं है, वो आफ्टर ये सब हो जाए तब
हाँ,
देखेंगे।
सो हर्डल्स तो बीच में आते ही होंगे।
हाँ, सो हर्डल्स
हाँ,
आते हैं, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आते हैं, सब होता है, लेकिन इफ यू आर कमिटेड तो इट डजंट रियली बॉदर यू।
आपने वैसा भी बोला कि इट्स गोइंग टू क्लोज बाय 25
26, May
26
26,
या
yeah.
26। सो if there is a person who is pursuing currently, so what is the advice which you give to him? And he
Pursuing bachelor's currently.
yeah, bachelor's, and he'll be able to complete that. So what is the advice which you give to that individual who wants to complete it, but he's having bit a confusion ki whether I'll be able to do it or not? So what is the main motto or goal
So I
for
would say
him?
the most important thing is find a good mentor, because I would 100% say कि मेरा जो हुआ क्लियर उनके कारण ही हुआ है। He was very helpful, very supportive, and they have been in the industry for 10-15 years. They know exactly what is going to work or not. मैं सबमिट किया उसके पहले उन्होंने बोल दिया था कि this is great, first class honors आ जाएगा। So you need that experience and that I would say wisdom to be able to pull it off. So find a very good mentor and do everything that they say. So you'll be fine.
So if we go with the younger generations who are like in their second or third grade, और उन लोग को फ्यूचर में ये कुछ परस्यू करना है, सो व्हाट इज़ द पाथ, व्हाट इज़ द हायरार्की विच यू गिव? सी, उनको इंडिया में रहना है या आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाना है, वो दे डोंट नो, राइट? वो भी कंफ्यूज्ड है। तो दैट मोमेंट व्हाट विल यू एडवाइज हिम? और आपके एक्सपीरियंस से क्या उसमें हो सकता है दैट CA करो, ACCA करो, या you can...
Yeah, so honestly, if you're going to live in India, I would say currently, because ACC is not that I would say widespread as compared to CA is a bit better. Lekin if you're going to go international, ACCA would be the better choice. So अगर doubt भी है कि शायद मैं जाऊँ foreign, then I would say go with ACCA. अगर 100% sure इधर ही रहना है तो फिर CA कर लो।
And if you go with CA, so what's the expected salary? Or what's the annum? How much can you earn per annum for the CA?
Yeah, so in Ahmedabad, I would say the starting salary that I've generally observed is 8 to 10 lakhs per annum.
Okay.
And for ACCA right now it is 7 to 8 lakhs.
Okay.
So वहाँ पे थोड़ा अभी पीछे because of the awareness इतनी ज़्यादा
7
नहीं है।
to
7 to 8 and that is 8 to 10.
But standard of living आपका चेंज हो जाता है ना वहाँ पे?
नहीं, I'm saying only in
In Ahmedabad only. And
if you go to Mumbai, then
हाँ.
I think the figures would of course be different. I'm not really aware.
Okay.
And honestly, भले starting salary अलग हो, after 10 years both are going to be at the same place. So ऐसे बहुत difference नहीं होने वाला।
So after 10 years वैसा कुछ लग रहा है that ये दोनों कुछ combine करके इंडिया भी वैसा कोई space हो जाएगा जहाँ पे वो भी ACCA को affiliate कर देंगे, and everyone could work like how the world
even
works.
currently ACCAs are working in India in the big conglomerates. They are looking for ACCA students as well. They are hiring them. So I think by 10 years, not only the big conglomerates but the smaller firms will also start looking towards ACCA.
So तब CA का थोड़ा वैल्यू कम हो जाएगा और ACCA का बढ़ जाएगा?
It's not कि उसका वैल्यू कम होगा, ACCA का बढ़ के दोनों क्लोज आ जाएगा।
Okay, they'll work together.
Yeah.
So on to the last final question. What is the main motivational line which you speak after waking up, or when you feel that you're not that motivated, and which paved you to pursue and to embark all your endeavors? So what's that?
There are a lot of lines, लेकिन looking at
हाँ.
the current generation, I would like to say कि I've heard a lot of my friends as well say कि I'll just go with the flow, I'll see what happens. But when it comes to your studies, your academic life, and your career, that's not a very good approach, because if you're going to go with the flow, sometimes it leads directly into the drain. And if you decide to take that risk, you should be ready for the consequence, because अगर आप lucky होगे तो ही वो ऊपर जाएगा, नहीं तो you're going to be stable.
90% chances are that you will go into the
exactly.
drain. Yeah.
So if you look at the most successful people like Elon Musk, तो उसने 10 साल का पहले से प्लान कर लिया होता है कि आई वांट टू गो टू मास. ऐसे ही उसने इतनी बड़ी फर्म तो बना नहीं ली है. सो ही हैज़ अ गोल, ही हैज़ अ विजन, उसके लिए हैज़ अ प्लान, एंड ही इज अटैकिंग इट, इज ऑन इट, एंड ही इज गोइंग टू गेट इट. सो in other aspects of life, maybe this is a good I would say advice, go with the flow. Lekin when it comes to students, academic
Academics,
life,
हाँ.
professional life, career, plan it out and do it. Don't just leave it up to chance.
And if we go with that specific person or industrialist who you see and you are being influenced from him, so who is that?
I would say industrialists, it would be Elon Musk only.
Okay.
But I would say अगर नॉन इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट बोलूँ जिसको मैं प्राइमरली सुनता हूँ, इट वुड बी कोबी ब्रायंट. ही इज अ
Okay.
बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर,
Yeah.
एंड उसके बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज है यूट्यूब पे, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बट उसकी जो एडवाइस है, उसकी जो मेंटालिटी, आई रियली रेजोनेट विद दैट. सो ही वुड बी माय प्राइमरी, आई वुड से,
Motivator.
yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, you should also listen to Joe Rogan.
Yeah, I listen to
David Goggins.
Yeah, David
And I mean, these guys are full of endurance, and they are like wild. I mean,
Yeah.
कि they'll speak some slangs and you'll be like, हाँ अब तो मेरे को करना ही है.
charge up हो जाए.
So that's a nice thing which you can see. So Dishan, वो time पे mentors or teachers would be the one who watered your roots to create this byproduct. So can you share an example or share an insight? Who were they?
So I've had a lot of teachers throughout the whole journey. Starting में accounting पढ़ा तब किरण सर करके थे.
I hope they are also watching us
Yeah.
and feeling proud that
Yeah.
we are
उसके
having.
बाद
हाँ.
when I joined Naukar for ACCA studies, so there were so many teachers. मोनिल सर थे, मेरे पापा खुद थे, हितेश सर थे, नैन सिंह सर थे. There were so many teachers. हर एक पेपर के लिए ऑलमोस्ट अलग अलग टीचर्स होते थे. So all of them really helped me, and I think the toughest part for them was कि एक 13, 14, 15 ईयर्स का बच्चा आ रहा है और मुझे उसको वही पढ़ाना है जो एक एक्सपीरियंस प्रोफेशनल पढ़ रहा है उसके साथ. तो हाउ डू आई टीच बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर टू बी एबल टू पुल दैट ऑफ इन सच अ मैनर कि मुझे भी ईजी लगे पढ़ना. दैट इज़ वेरी आई वुड से commendable, and I'm very grateful for that. They were able to do it, and I think they are the primary reason I was able to succeed, because अगर मैं समझ नहीं पाता तो मैं फिर clear कैसे करूँगा.
So अभी के trend में कैसा है that everyone wants to go into coding.
Yeah.
And people are also having that sort of thing, coding ninjas, and there are many firms जो 3 महीने में you can have a good coding knowledge and you can pursue your career in that. So what I think is that कि ये field में भी वैसा कुछ होना चाहिए.
Right.
That if we go that student should have some knowledge of accounting or something. क्योंकि मैं एक science student हूँ, right? मेरे को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
But when you go with a business mindset or an entrepreneurship, तब you have this knowledge and you get these specific words and figures कि what does that mean, how to scale up, what's the revenue and all that things. So what are your thoughts that should we include this?
So if we look at it, तो साइंस के अंदर नीट JEE की प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम 8-9 होती है, यूपीएससी का भी होता है, सब में कर रहे हैं. लेकिन कॉमर्स में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. यू 10th में चूज़ करते हैं, उसके बाद 11th-12th में पढ़ाई होती है और फिर जो डिग्री लेनी हो लो. सो आई थिंक वहाँ पे वी कैन चेंज दैट. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली माई फादर्स थॉट, एंड वहाँ पे वी कैन चेंज दैट कि 8th-9th के अंदर भी कॉमर्स का कोई भी सब्जेक्ट, अकाउंटिंग ले लो, इकोनॉमिक्स ले लो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट ले लो, द स्टूडेंट शुड बी अवेयर कि वो है क्या. बिकॉज जब 10th में चूज़ कर रहा है तो साइंस तो पता है क्या है, लेकिन कॉमर्स के अंदर इट इज़ नॉट एन इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन. वो बस ले रहा है क्योंकि साइंस नहीं लेना. सो इफ़ ही इज़ एबल टू नो कि पहले है क्या, इसके अंदर आएगा क्या, ही विल बी एबल टू टेक अ मच बेटर डिसीजन एंड नॉट रिग्रेट इट in the journey further.
Yeah, that's a good thing because मेरे को भी वैसा ही है. Most of the people don't know what commerce is before 10th.
Yeah.
पता तो है but पूरी insight नहीं है जितना science का पता है.
yeah.
So ये it's a great initiative कि we could start, and I hope someone is watching and we can plan for that in the future. और मेरा एक main question वो है that you got this certificate at the age of 17, right? So अगर कोई बंदा आया और कोई girl होगी who is planning to break up, this certificate at a very younger age and wants to achieve the Guinness Book of World Record in that. So how do you see them at that
I
thing?
mean, honestly, I know the amount of effort and time it took to get this.
हाँ.
So, अगर कोई 16 पे कर रहा है, तो I would actually be happy that they were able to pull it off. I would have a lot of admiration for them because this is not an easy feat, and if you're able to do it even earlier than I did, then I mean, you deserve it.
So it's a great thing कि अभी 17 में आपने किया, so 16 पे भी कोई कर रहा है, so he would be damn consistent and dedicated
Yeah,
towards the goal.
100%.
And that's a very good thing. I hope there's someone, some gem
Yeah.
who is planning to do this, and he would be doing that. So thank you, Dishan, for coming on our show, and it's an honor that we are having the first guest of Beyond the Noise who is having this Guinness Book of World Record, and it's an honor from me as a host and my team that you are on our show, and it was a very good insightful conversation for everyone कि जो CA कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, दो वो ये फील्ड में है, बट इट गेट्स मोटिवेटेड कि व्हेन यू हैव दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग कि इतनी यंगर एज में भी आप इतना कुछ हासिल कर सकते हो, देन व्हाट अबाउट फ्यूचर, आई मीन देन यू कैन ऑल्सो क्लाइंब अप द माउंट एवरेस्ट. So thank you, Dishan, and it's an honor having you on our show.
It was an honor for me to be here, and I was able to provide so many good insights, which I think the people who are listening, they might have learned something from it. It will help them somewhere, and I hope that somebody gets motivated from my story, and maybe जो मेरा record तोड़ने वाला वो सुन ही रहा होगा. So it was amazing being here and talking with you. It was a very good conversation, and thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much.